Hi guys, Belinda here. I wanted to show you this massive skin that I have, and this was from my the pour with the lettuce crisper. So I just stretched it out, and this is what I'm left with. It hasn't dried completely yet because it's winter, but if you would like to see what I have in store for this big skin, then comment below and tell me if you'd like to see a video. Let's get on with the video. Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. I am doing a blowout today, and I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas, deep edged. I have taped it underneath, and I was thinking that maybe I was going to do a grey base, but then I decided not to. So I'm just torching quickly. I've just mixed up some of my paints, my white paint in particular. So I'm getting rid of some of those bubbles and whatever else is lying in there. Okay, so the colours I'll run through as I'm pouring them. They are all Derivan paints, and I do have some the Derivan pouring medium. So this is just a light grey that I've mixed up. Not sure how this is going to turn out. I'm hoping fabulous. And then I have, this is kind of like a mustard colour which I mixed up just reusing this bottle. It's kind of like a mustardy gold. I like that very much actually. And then I have this faded Cyan Blue. It's kind of like cyan. I do like that Cyan Blue very, very much. In actual fact, this is the one that's not Derivan. It's Pebeo. And then I have some Paynes Gray. So I think you can see where I'm going with this. I don't want too much of that Paynes Gray because it is pretty strong. And then I have bright yellow. And let's just hope I don't get green, because that's not really what I'm after. Okay, let me torch that. Get rid of all those bubbles. Oh, so I don't know if you guys can see, there are cells popping up here. There's no silicone in my paint. Let's do this. Okay, I love all of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm always counting. 5. Got to get the numbers right. So I'm going to just blow some of this out. I don't really like that solid strip. I like that very much actually. I'm going to give that a torch just in some places because there's a lot of lacing and a lot of cells. And there's still a lot of bubbles. Okay, that is, I think that's turned out really, really nicely. Okay guys, I really love that. If you're interested in any of my artwork, please contact me on withBade@gmail.com and we'll take it from there. Right guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, here it is. I'm not sure if you can see the glisten, that shimmery gold there. It is shimmering really, really nicely. Not really the colors I was going for. I wanted more yellow and grey. But with the blue and the yellow, you know, you're going to get green, aren't you? So I really love that. And that is really pretty over there. The cells are just amazing. Excuse the studio light guys, it's pretty dark, it is winter. I really love all of those cells. And I love that it's gone, if you can see, there's grey. See if I can get a close-up. Grey and yellow in the background. I love this too. It looks like it's kind of folded over. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.